Evolving regulatory landscape in the era of generative AI agents in healthcare. Introduction. A revolution in healthcare. Imagine a future where healthcare systems are no longer constrained by human inefficiencies or limited insights. Instead, they are driven by generative AI-powered agents, tools so advanced they don't just assist but actively collaborate with clinicians, streamline administrative workflows, and provide personalized care at an unprecedented scale. These agents, powered by large language models, LLMs, are already reshaping healthcare, offering cognitive adaptability, reasoning, and precision never seen before. However, with great innovation comes great responsibility. The transformative potential of these technologies demands robust regulatory oversight to ensure safety, equity, and ethical use. Today, we'll delve into how these AI systems are revolutionizing healthcare and how the evolving regulatory framework must balance innovation with public trust. Generative AI agents in action. Consider a patient named Sarah, recently diagnosed with diabetes. Managing her condition requires constant monitoring, dietary adjustments, and medication adherence. Traditionally, this burden fell on her and her care team. But now, an AI-powered virtual health assistant steps in, continuously analyzing Sarah's glucose levels, providing tailored dietary recommendations, and scheduling checkups. The assistant doesn't just follow rules, it adapts to her habits, learns her preferences, and even predicts potential complications before they occur. Such transformative capabilities extend to every corner of healthcare. AI agents integrated with electronic health records, EHRs, help clinicians make data-driven decisions. In diagnostics, generative AI systems, like Paige's FullFocus platform, enhance cancer detection with unparalleled accuracy. In radiology, tools like Siemens Healthineers AI-Rad Companion reduce workload by automating imaging analysis. Across the board, these tools are not just reactive, they are proactive, personalized, and predictive. The regulatory challenge. The capabilities of generative AI agents are extraordinary, but their dynamic nature introduces new complexities. Unlike static medical devices, these systems evolve over time. For example, an AI agent trained on real-world data might inadvertently prioritize some diagnostic features over others, introducing biases or reducing accuracy for specific populations. How do we regulate a tool that learns and adapts in real time? The US FDA has taken a leading role in addressing these challenges through its risk-based regulatory framework. By tailoring oversight to the potential impact on patient safety, the FDA ensures that high-risk systems undergo rigorous evaluation while encouraging innovation in lower-risk applications. However, dynamic learning introduces unique concerns such as function creep. An AI system designed for simple tasks might begin offering diagnostic suggestions, requiring reclassification. Bias in data. Training on non-representative datasets risks exacerbating healthcare disparities. Unpredictable outputs, hallucinations, or plausible but incorrect recommendations can undermine trust and patient safety. Regulatory innovations. Balancing innovation with safety. To address these concerns, the FDA has implemented several forward-thinking strategies. Predetermined Change Control Plans, PCCPs. These plans allow pre-approved updates to AI models, ensuring they can evolve safely without requiring repeated approvals. Real-time monitoring. Continuous oversight identifies performance deviations, such as biases or inaccuracies, as they emerge in real-world use. Foundation model transparency. Developers must document the origins, training methods, and limitations of the AI models, ensuring accountability and reliability. Bias mitigation. Rigorous testing ensures equitable performance across all demographics, addressing systemic healthcare disparities. Good machine learning practice, GMLP. By emphasizing data integrity, explainability, and risk management, the FDA ensures generative AI systems remain trustworthy and effective. A patient-centric regulatory framework. Imagine a stroke rehabilitation device that evolves as the patient recovers. Initially, it provides simple motor exercises. As the patient regains strength, the device adapts, offering more challenging activities tailored to their progress. This adaptability is what makes generative AI agents powerful, but it also necessitates continuous oversight. Regulators, manufacturers, and clinicians must collaborate to ensure these systems deliver consistent, safe, and equitable care. The FDA's Total Product Lifecycle (TPLC) approach exemplifies this collaboration. From pre-market evaluation to post-market monitoring, this framework ensures that AI systems maintain their effectiveness and safety throughout their operational life. This dynamic model is essential for regulating technologies that are inherently dynamic. Navigating ethical and operational challenges. As we embrace these technologies, ethical and operational challenges demand our attention. Accountability. When an AI system makes an erroneous recommendation, who is responsible? The developer, the manufacturer, or the clinician? Data privacy. Patients must trust that their sensitive data is protected, necessitating robust privacy safeguards like federated learning. Equity. AI systems must work for all populations, requiring diverse training datasets and rigorous bias testing. These challenges are not insurmountable but require proactive collaboration. Establishing ethical oversight boards, investing in high-quality datasets, and fostering transparency can ensure that generative AI systems serve humanity's best interests. The road ahead. The future of healthcare lies in interconnected systems where AI agents coordinate care, predict outbreaks, and optimize hospital resources. Imagine a world where a virtual health assistant seamlessly manages chronic conditions, reducing hospital admissions, or where predictive models help governments allocate resources during a pandemic. Generative AI agents are the key to unlocking this vision, but their deployment must be guided by a regulatory framework that prioritizes safety, equity, and trust. The journey will require collaboration among regulators, innovators, and healthcare providers. By addressing the challenges of bias, accountability, and continuous learning, we can ensure that generative AI fulfills its promise of revolutionizing healthcare responsibly. A future worth building. The era of generative AI agents in healthcare is here, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance patient care, streamline operations, and drive efficiency. As we navigate this transformative landscape, the evolving regulatory framework plays a crucial role in ensuring these innovations are safe, equitable, and effective. Together, with thoughtful oversight and collaboration, we can harness the power of AI to create a healthcare system that is proactive, personalized, and truly patient-centric. The future of healthcare is not just about technology, it's about humanity, and generative AI is helping us get there.